Is it time to buy or sell SoundHound AI stock? In this video, we're diving deep into SoundHound AI. Our initial report was published on our website on Tuesday, the 22nd of April, 2025, and now we are here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You do not want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since the 22nd of April, 2025, our system has classified SoundHound AI as a hold or accumulate, resulting in a score of negative 0.42. Now, let us examine the stock's performance during this time frame. The stock has experienced natural fluctuations, but currently reflects a loss of 0.00% since our initial hold or accumulate recommendation. The stock is currently positioned within a broad and declining trend in the short term, indicating that further declines are likely. The present 3-month trend forecasts a potential decrease of approximately 46.93% over the next 3 months, with a possible return ranging from negative 60.97% to negative 40.35%. In our longer-term analysis, covering 12 months, we anticipate a projected change of 56.91%. Our calculations suggest that the stock's performance could vary from 45.31% to 426.92% over the coming year. In today's terms, this would estimate the future price to be somewhere between $11.83 and $42.89. Period. Our latest daily update for SoundHound AI includes the headline, SoundHound AI Inc. stock price up more than 8.53% on Tuesday. The SoundHound AI Inc. stock price gained 8.53% on the last trading day, which was Tuesday, the 22nd of April, 2025, rising from $7.50 to $8.14. During that trading day, the stock fluctuated by 7.16%, with a low of $7.70 and a high of $8.25. The price has experienced ups and downs during this period, with a total gain of 7.11% over the last 2 weeks. Trading volume increased on the last day alongside the price, which is a positive technical indicator, with 4 million more shares traded than the previous day. In total, 21 million shares were bought and sold, amounting to approximately $172,009,000. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price reached $24.98, while the lowest price was $3.76. Currently, the price stands at 67.41%, or $16.84, below the 52-week high of $24.98, which also marks the all-time high for the stock. SoundHound AI, recognized by its ticker SOUN, has seen a significant increase in its share price today, rising nearly 9% in late-session trading. This rise coincides with the announcement of a major partnership with Tencent Intelligent Mobility, which aims to integrate SoundHound's voice AI technology into automotive solutions. Such a collaboration could bolster SoundHound's position in the rapidly expanding voice technology market, paving the way for potential revenue growth in the years ahead. However, it is important for investors to remain vigilant, as the company is currently dealing with several class action lawsuits that allege violations of federal securities laws. These legal challenges may introduce volatility and uncertainty in the near term as they progress. Shareholders have until the 27th of May, 2025, to participate in these legal proceedings, which could impact investor sentiment and market perception. The combination of positive news from the partnership and the impending legal issues presents a complex scenario for SOUN's stock price. In the short run, the enthusiasm surrounding the Tencent collaboration may drive the stock upward. Conversely, if the lawsuits result in any negative revelations or financial liabilities, it could hinder the stock's performance over the longer term. Investors will need to closely monitor both developments to assess their ultimate impact on SoundHound's market trajectory. Analyst ratings. On Wednesday, the 18th of September 2024, it was reported that H.C. Wainwright assigned SOUN a grade of underperform along with a hold action. On the same day, it was also reported that Wedbush rated SOUN with a grade of buy and a hold action. Again, on Wednesday, the 18th of September, 2024, H.C. Wainwright assigned SOUN a grade of buy with a hold action. On Friday, the 9th of August, 2024, it was reported that Wedbush rated SOUN with an outperform grade and a hold action. On that same day, Cantor Fitzgerald gave SOUN an overweight grade with an upgrade action. Analysts have assigned SoundHound AI stock a general strong sell rating. They classify the price-to-earnings ratio as strong sell and the price-to-book ratio also as strong sell. Regarding return on investment, analysts have similarly assigned the stock a strong sell rating. The following signals have been identified for SoundHound AI. A buy signal was issued from a pivot bottom point on Tuesday, the 8th of April 2025, and so far, it has risen by approximately 13.37%. Further increases are indicated until a new top pivot is established. Additionally, there is a buy signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, commonly known as MACD. Volume is rising alongside the price, which is considered a positive technical signal. However, some negative signals have also been issued, which may impact short-term developments. The stock of SoundHound AI Inc. currently holds a buy signal from the short-term moving average. Yet, the long-term average indicates a general sell signal. Since the long-term average is above the short-term average, this presents a more negative outlook for the stock. With further gains, the stock is expected to encounter resistance from the long-term moving average at $8.83. Conversely, if the stock declines, it will find support from the short-term average at $7.98. A breakthrough above the long-term average will generate another buy signal, while a drop below the short-term average will introduce an additional sell signal, reinforcing the general trend. Here are some additional signals you might find intriguing. Moving average convergence divergence. Buy signal. Pivots. Buy signal from 10 days ago. Short-term moving average. Buy signal from 2 days ago. When we examine the 12-month chart, we observe short moving average. Sell signal from 20 days ago. The long-term moving average. Sell signal from 47 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages indicates a buy signal from 33 days ago. Do not forget to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you wish to discover more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for SoundHound AI. On the downside, the stock finds support just below today's level from accumulated volume at $7.60 and $7.32. There is a natural risk involved when a stock is testing a support level, as a break below this level could lead to a decline to the next support tier. In this instance, SoundHound AI Inc. has support just below today's level at $7.60. If this level is breached, the next support from accumulated volume will be at $7.32 and $7.18. This stock may experience significant movement throughout the day, indicating high volatility, and with a large prediction interval from the Bollinger Band, it is regarded as high risk. Over the past day, the stock fluctuated by 551 thousandths of a dollar between its high and low points, which is a 7.16% change. For the past week, the daily average volatility has been 6.01%. Before we dive into the potential trading levels for SoundHound AI, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, let's discuss the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly referred to as the PE ratio. This important metric measures a company's current share price in relation to its earnings per share. A negative PE ratio indicates that the company is experiencing negative earnings or is not making a profit. Even well-established companies can face downturns, often due to external factors beyond their control. However, consistently negative PE ratios may suggest a lack of profitability and raise concerns about potential bankruptcy risks. In other news, the upcoming earnings report for the first quarter of 2025 is anticipated on the 8th of May, 2025. Analysts' consensus estimates predict a loss of 7 cents per share. It's important to monitor these figures as they can significantly influence stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for SoundHound AI. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for SoundHound AI is at $9.21. If you do not own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could be a point to consider for swing trading. On the downside, SoundHound AI faces its first support level at $7.60. If this support level holds firm, it might present a good entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for SoundHound AI from multiple analyst sources is a strong sell. Now, let us examine some recent insider trades. On the 20th of March 2025, Hom James Ming executed an insider sale of 28,388 shares of Class A common stock. On the 24th of March 2025, Hom James Ming executed another insider sale of 51,196 shares of Class A common stock. On the 20th of March 2025, Mohajer Kavan executed an insider sale of 118,605 shares of Class A common stock. On the 24th of March 2025, Mohajer Kavan made another insider sale of 138,895 shares of Class A common stock. On the 20th of March 2025, Sharon Nitesh executed an insider sale of 48,639 shares of Class A common stock. Based on the 100 most recent insider trades, we've calculated that insider power is negative, with a ratio of negative 10.755. Overall, insiders purchased 6,311,191 shares and sold 6,944,269 shares in the last 100 trades. Our recommended stop loss is set at $7.81, reflecting a decline of 4%. This stock experiences significant daily fluctuations, which contributes to its high risk. A buy signal has emerged from a pivot bottom identified 9 days ago. Is SoundHound AI stock a good buy? SoundHound AI Inc. displays several positive signals. However, we do not consider these sufficient for a buy recommendation at this time. Currently, it is advisable to hold or accumulate shares while we await further developments. Our analysis has recently been upgraded from a sell to a hold or accumulate recommendation for the stock. After reviewing the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Wednesday, the 23rd of April, we anticipate that SoundHound AI will open lower by 11 cents and begin trading at $8.03. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money. It is essential to consult with a financial advisor before you buy or sell any securities. Your investment decisions should not be based solely on the information provided by StockInvest.us. By using this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day. With regards from all of us here at Stock Invest.